time to get down to the brass tacks. My name is Mel Sams and I'm the Managing Associate of Sams CPA in Dunedin, Florida. And today I'd like to talk to you about internet sales and how this affects you as a business owner. First question I want to ask the audience is, does your business sell any goods online? Do you have internet sales? Do you have a website where people can buy and sell your products? If you do, you need to pay particular attention to a recent Supreme Court case that is likely to shake up the world of online retail. Nexus, as we know it today, was established in the 1992 Supreme Court case North Dakota versus Quill. Some of you may have heard about it, a very famous case in which the Supreme Court ruled that a state could not collect sales tax on someone who was selling products in that state unless that seller had a substantial presence, which generally means a brick and mortar location, a warehouse, a workforce, something that's physically connected to that state. But recently, this month in June, the Supreme Court ruled in a case that overturned that concept and could create a major liability for all the online retailers out there. In the South Dakota versus Wayfair case, which Supreme Court ruled 5-4, that the state of South Dakota could assess sales tax on online retailers who had more than either $100,000 in annual sales in their state or had more than 200 transactions in their state. So if you think about it, if you're selling a small item, you could have thousands of transactions with online customers, and under this new law, that would put you over the top, allowing the states that you're selling in to be able to collect sales tax. And when I say collect sales tax, I mean it's your responsibility to collect it, and it's your responsibility as the business, as the seller, to then file sales tax returns and remit the proper amount of tax to the state. Now, every state's different. Every state has different rates, different rules, different jurisdictions. It's a mess. And if you're an online retailer, you need to be very aware of this, and you need to be consulting with a CPA who understands the concepts of Nexus and the concepts of how to collect and remit sales tax. Now, I expect there to be a lot of interpretation on this Supreme Court ruling, and I expect there to be some challenges. But at the end of the day, you can see the direction that we're going. For years and years, your traditional brick and mortar retailers have complained and lobbied and been upset over the fact that they have to charge sales tax to their customers, but an online retailer may not. Well, now it seems that the Supreme Court's attempting to level the playing field. So again, if you're an online retailer, if you're selling goods online, you need to be very aware of this, and you need to be talking to a CPA to see how this is going to affect you. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas for future podcasts, we'd love to hear from you. We would like your feedback, and our contact information will be shown at the end of the broadcast.